Let's learn some digraph sounds today. They're special friends who love to play.
The C and H together say cha-cha-cha, like riding on a chugging train so far. The S and H together say sha-sha-sha, like the quiet sound of a gentle hush. The T and H together say th-th-th,
like thinking thoughts you know and love. Digraphs make learning extra fun. Learning digraphs, everyone. Let's sing with NG, what a sound, like ringing bells all over town. Now NK has a clever sound, like money tinkling round and round. And IGH shines so bright, it makes the I sound take its flight. Learning letter teams is fun for everyone under the sun.
Let's sing some vowel team songs today, with special sounds that lead the way. The AI together says A-A-A, like we're sailing on a boat all day. The E-E together says E-E-E, like a happy monkey in a tree.
The O-A together says O-O-O, like watching little flowers grow. The O-O together says ooh-ooh-ooh, and A-R says R, like a pirate crew. Let's learn some more sounds, it's true, for me and for you. The O-R together says or, like a roaring lion at the door.
The U-R together says like a bird that's starting to purr.
The O-D-U together says ow, 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 like a cow that says moo right now. Let's finish our sounds, hip, hip, hooray. It's time to learn and play.
The O-I together says oi, 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 like a playful sound of pure joy. The E-A-R together says ear, 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 like something you can hear, oh dear.
The A-I-R together says air, 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 like breathing in the fresh, clean air. The U-R-E together says you're, like a picture you're sure to endure.